Well, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to another upload of It's a Dyer Thing. Rob here. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so. Don't forget that notification button. This way you're going to be always up to date. So this video here is actually reaching out to you guys because I really want to know, hopefully this light works. No, of course my light doesn't work. My light never works. Stupid light bay. So we've got the 2021 Jeep Wrangler JLU Sahara Unlimited, and I just finished doing the installation of the worn Elite bumper here with my winch, and there was something that I noticed here, and I kind of got intrigued about it, and then I reached out to the guys at Warren, and I just wanted to see if they were able to help me out and kind of guide me in the way, but unfortunately they didn't have an actual answer for me. So this is why I'm reaching out to you guys, the viewers, and hopefully you'll be able to help me out, either because you're watching this because you are completely aware of the Warren Elite bumper, or you're just kind of getting a refresher of the products that are out there, and you have some experience that you're able to help new viewers and new Jeepers like myself. So as you can see here on this bumper here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. These are little covers, little cap covers that I covered up because there's basically holes that are going through, and from my understanding this completely looks like a mounting point or a mounting system that would allow you to put a bar or a grab bar or something that mounts up into these points here. So my question to you guys, to you viewers, and hopefully we got a couple of guys out there that have already done this, or some experienced guys here, what the heck will work on that? So either I can kind of measure it out and then kind of reach out to a couple of companies that do offer bumpers and say, hey, you know, your specifications are within this size, or, you know, if you guys actually know exactly what will fit on there with very minimal modifications, I have no problem doing some, but I'd rather not drill any new holes into here. But if you can let me know, that would be super nice, whether if it's just 2 mounts and then I have to go with a light bar, or if it's an actual tube and then I can put 3 spots on or something like that. That would be really, really cool. So I would think it would really finish up the Warren bumper and the Warren winch. Again, the Elite winch bumper VR 8000 combo up really nicely. So hopefully you can help me out here. If you're asking what this is, basically it's a license plate, but it's a license plate slash roller fair lead cover here. So basically it is on a swivel system. As you can see, it allowed me to kind of pivot up my whole license plate here. It allows me to gain access to the roller fair leads here, and then you can slide it back down and roll it back over, all right? So it's just an arm, and it's basically articulating up and down, right? So it basically holds it in place and locks it there. So still working on just the finishing touches on this, but this was purchased off of Amazon. Actually, it was pretty cheap. It was only 95 bucks. Pretty happy with it. It is for the European plates, so you do have to do some slight modifications in order to get it installed there, but other than that, it works pretty nice. Overall, super happy with the bumper. Didn't take that long to actually install it on there, so it did work out really nice, but I would like to finish it off with a light bar. So hopefully y'all can help me out here and figure, you know, give me an idea, give me a direction that I need to go in order to reach out to some people. I would like to get that done, so help a Jeeper brother out, man. So anyways, till next time, guys, be good, have fun, be safe, and don't forget, for all you biker buddies out there, which is what I am, keep it covered. All right. Warren Industries, ducky duck. Bye-bye.